it's Miss Sarah, and I'm going to read you an ELA story about different kinds of animals and their body parts. All right, but first, we need to go over our rules. Rule number 1, eyes are watching. Rule number 2, ears are listening. Let's turn them on. Rule number 3, voices are quiet. Rule number 4, body is calm. All right. So, our first page is, oops, it looks like this. There are many different kinds of animals in our world. Even though animals look different from one another, animals that are alike belong to the same group. Whoa. I wonder what that means. Here is a chicken, an eagle, and a golden finch. They all look different, but did you know that a chicken, an eagle, and a goldfinch are alike or the same? They are all birds. There are many different kinds of birds, but all birds have wings that they can flap. Birds are covered in feathers that keep their bodies warm and dry. So they all have wings, and their feathers keep them warm and dry. All birds have 2 legs, so they can stand. Birds have a special type of mouth called a beak. Here's a beak. There's a beak. And that's a beak. Birds have beaks. Beaks are hard and pointy. Birds use their beaks to peck or to eat and drink. Some beaks are long and big, and some beaks are short and smaller. So some beaks are long and pointy, like these two, and some beaks are short and smaller. All right. Birds lay eggs. Birds have to take care of their eggs until they hatch. When the egg hatches, a baby bird comes out. Birds are not the only group of animals that have things in common. How are clownfish, goldfish, and sharks all the same? So clownfish, goldfish, and sharks all the same. They all are fish. kinds of fish, but all fish have fins and tails. They have fins and tails, fins and tails, fins and tails. Everybody has fins and tails that are fish. They use their fins and tails to swim through the water. All fish live and swim underwater. Some fish live in the ocean where the water is salty. It is called saltwater for saltwater fish. Saltwater. Some fish live in lakes, ponds, and streams where the water is not salty. Not salty. They live in fresh water. Fish don't need air to breathe. Fish have gills that let them breathe underwater. Gills. Fish and birds are not the only group of animals that have things in common. How are beetles and butterflies and ants the same? Beetles, ants, and butterflies the same. They are all insects. Insects come in all colors and shapes. They have 6 legs. Oop, yeah, 6 legs. 6 legs. Insects look very different from one another, but they all are very small. Most insects are smaller than the tip of your finger. The tip of your finger. Whoa. That is small. Look, the boy has an insect. One more, friends. Let's see. Whoops, if I can get the page. There we go. Okay. There are all kinds of animals. Some have things in common and belong to special groups. Some animals are birds, some animals are insects, and some animals are fish. All right, friends, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about animals and some of their body parts. All right, until next time, bye.